Hi everyone, we are Doctec Limit. So it is my pleasure to present our startup based on the new hybrid Twin-Nano copper for future 3D IC packaging. So during the pandemic, so the trend of distance teaching, distance medicine, work from home, and online meeting has increased greatly. So the need of advanced consumer electronic products. So 5G generation is coming. So as you may know, the change of the IC from the 2-dimension to 3-dimension is a future trend to becomes a one opportunity to beyond the Moore's law. And the performance enhancement of such a type of 3D IC. So actually, we construct and stake in the different function of IC together. So this is the future trend, the pathway to reach ultimate IC performance. So it is obvious it is not only the improved function and also because of the reduced distance between individual units. So it also plays a very important role to improve the energy efficiency as well. So in 3D IC is the vertical interconnect by using the TSV through silicon via and the micro bumps together with RDL redistribution layer. So we have to consider three challenges. So electron migration, thermal migration, and stress migration. So currently the 3D IC is intended to use electroplate soldering micro bump on electroplate copper. So without using the nickel barrier in between. So the formation of a severe concandle void at the interface between copper and the soldering will lead to early failure and low reliability. So the interface is the one problem. And also in the future, so copper to copper direct bonding appears to be the solution to solve the problem of Joule heating and the electron migration because it is the homogeneous interface. So just copper and the copper together. But however, when the size becomes small, so the electron migration will still happen in copper to copper bonds when the current density is over 10 to the power of 6 amp per centimeter square. And moreover, the normal electroplate copper is soft and possibly cannot withstand the high bonding pressure for direct copper-copper bonding. So therefore, even copper electroplating is a very old and a traditional technology. The control of copper structure to reach highly stable or high mechanical strength to satisfy the requirements in 3D IC packaging is very important. So in Hong Kong U, we synthesize and design the spatial chemicals as additive to control the ratio and the distribution of different electroplate copper, as you can see here. So particularly, we can control the nano twin and the nano grain ratios in the structure. So as you may know, the twin boundary is a spatial kind of coherent boundary. So it has a lower electrical resistivity, and also so that's why if it contains a certain density of twin boundary, so a metal is expected to be high stress and without losing its electrical conductivity. So the Doctec focus on the development of effective additives in the electrolyte and focus on the development and the commercialization of this spatial, particularly the hybrid nano twin, nano grain copper as a promising nano materials. So we develop this additive and also can compatible with accelerator and the suppressor to achieve not only the hybrid nano grain, nano twin, this spatial structure, but also excellent superfitting property, which is very important in the real manufacturing process. And also we systematically study the failure mechanism of a copper to copper and hybrid bonding, micro bonds, and we believe it will contribute to 3D IC staking technology. So our mission is to start up a company through tissue and to make us advanced chemical technology and a service provider to semiconductor industry in 3D IC packaging. So in the future, so we will work more on the different chemicals in this field. So our team all have very excellent, not only academic, but also industry experience. And also we have a very strong consultant team from industry and academic as well as our very big support to make our business success, we believe. So at present, we also have some, we also approach some customers, like I said, MIC, Huawei, and TSMC. They all express their interest in this, spatial copper in this field. So with Hong Kong U's brand name and also the teacher support, so we hope we can join the Science Park as an incubatee, and also make this company as one of the creditable company in the Science Park in the future. So thanks for your attention, and this is our present of our startup plan.